what I do for the sake of my viewers. This is the Mare's Liquid Skin, brand new. I spent $85 on it. Can I burn it off because it's a tinted lens? Is it going to work or is it going to get ruined? Let's find out. Go ahead and put it on here. And it's fine. I'm going to go ahead and clean it off. Put the Dawn on there. Wash that off. And looks like it's completely fine. Now this is treating it so your mask is not going to flog up. And I was really hesitant. I'm worried about doing this because I thought I was going to get ruined. But I learned this from watching Lake Hickory Scuba. And this is what you got to do. Sometimes I'm going to show you the inside of the mask. I got it all cleaned out. There's the inside of my mask. And it looks fine.